Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, June the 7th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. Well, this seems a 2 stars puzzle, not a 1 star. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Yeah, Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 6556. Yeah, 6556. 6556. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Oh wait. We have here 1, 2, 3 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with the 1? That's the question. Yeah, 1 in this row, first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in the last row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Here we need also a 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. 5. 5. Well. 7 and a 3. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and a 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in the third column, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 7. Oh, wait, made a mistake. We already have a 3 there. No. So we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 7 in the last row. In the third row. So the 7 in the row between should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 9 in the second row. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. So 9 could be here or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9, okay. 3. Need a 2 here. And I need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 7 as a pair. Okay, so we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in the middle column, so no 4 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. 3, 4 and 3, 4 and I need an 8 here. Yeah. Okay. How about 6? Yeah, these 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in the first column, so no 3 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So now we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. Well, we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4, 4. Okay. What 8? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. And in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only place left for the 8 should be there. Need 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. 6, 7. Need a 3. But these 8 cannot be here. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 8. Well, here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the middle column should be there. So 2 numbers left. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 7, 9, 6. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I need a 7 here. Oh, 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Need 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 middle row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay, 1, 2, 7. Well, 8. 8. Oh. Think. 5. Need a 5. 5. Need a 5 here. 6. 3 and 1. Come on. 9 and 6. 9 and 6. 2. 1, 7, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. 8 here. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. 5, 7, 1. Yeah. Need a 9 here. 9 could be a 9. Need a 3 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Let me put some numbers. These two missing numbers. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. 2, 4, 9. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. On there, we see an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in third row, only 2 places left for 8, could be here, could be there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 3 places left for 8, should be here, or there. We see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 2, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait, 5 missing numbers here. No. Well. 2. 2. Come on. 3, 4, 9, and 6. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. That means we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 4 then. 1 box left in this big square for number 3 then. 2 numbers left in this third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, and the 8 are missing here. 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. Come on. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Okay. 2, 5, and need a 6 here. Come on. These are 3 missing numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. Need a 6 here. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 9 in 2, 4. Oh, 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 9 and a 4 in this column. So no 9 and a 4 in this box. 9 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be a 3. 9 and a 4. Well, we have a 4 here in this picture. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Let me mark those. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Okay. Let me think. 2, 5. 2, 5, and a 6. Need a 6 here. In the last row, yeah, let me put the 6 here. Okay, and here we need a 6 also. Thinking. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, there only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see how 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, come on. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5. Need a 6 here. 3 and 8. Oh! 3 and 8 and wait. 3 and 8. Oh. 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. Overlook. 3 should be here and 8 goes. And I mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. These are number 2, number 8. But the 3, 7, 5. 5. Need a 5. 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay, you know, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 9. 2, 9. Need a 4. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 5 and the 6. 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the master 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Also here, the 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 and the 5 are missing in this row. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 2 minutes more than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with all the 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.